All right, here we go. We're going to have an NFL tier list. On this tier list, we're going to go ahead and we're going to be talking about top 2021-22 quarterbacks. This tier list has S, A, B, C, and F. F is obviously for the garbage. And then we got C. We'll call C like, they're kind of mid. It's all right. B, they can get over the hump. They haven't yet, or maybe they're young and they're showing some promise. A obviously speaks for itself. S is gonna go ahead and be my top three. I don't know why there's some of these quarterbacks are even in here, because like half of these guys didn't even play this year. Regular season only. Now we're gonna go up to today. Yo, this list kind of buns. Okay, Zach Wilson, F. No debate. 2 playoff wins. How many Derek Carr got? How many Mariota got, for real? How many Mariota got? Trevor Lawrence, F. It's not his fault, but he's a F. Ian Book, A tier. Ian Book was playing terrible. They had to put Taysom in. Let's see. Dak, I don't know where I'm going to come back to Dak. Raiders trade Carr for Book. Hey, have fun. Let's see. Ben Roethlisberger is definitely a F. I'm going to get this one out the way early because y'all are going to get on my head for this. Mac Jones is definitely a B. I think Mac Jones is kind of nice. He's showing some promise. He doesn't have a number 1 wide receiver yet. There are quite a few guys that we're talking about here that could be going over to New England. Ben is a D. We're not doing D, bro. We're not doing D because D might as well be an F. You're either okay or you're not. Mac Jones, C+. Y'all think C+? All right. We'll go C+ for Mac Jones. Fine. Just because, all right, fine. Drew Lock. I think Drew Lock would be somewhere around a D, but I guess since I'm not doing D, he'll be at the end of C. I'll put them in order too. Nah, that's the right order. Jackson. All right, Nick. I hope you enjoyed that. He's a B. He's nothing better than a B. Teddy Bridgewater's a smooth C. He's better than Locke, though. Baker Mayfield, a smooth C, but he's better than these guys. A? You think he's an A? I mean, bro, I don't know. He was hurt half. I already see guys in here that are Bs. Like Herbert. Herbert is a B. Herbert's a B+. I got to see it in winning time. All right, let's not waste any time. Greatest. Fill it out first. Tannehill is better than Herbo? He's not. Mahomes definitely a S. He's better than Locke. He's just on a trash team. Dak is a B-. Derek Carr's a C+ to me. Rodgers, S. That's my top 3, and it's not changing. Hurts isn't better than these guys, but he's definitely a B-. Maybe pushing 85 flat. Who else is in here? Ian Book. He's better than Ben, but he's terrible. Change of heart. Above Baker, I think. Cam Newton. He's definitely behind Teddy, but before Locke. That's fair. Trey Lance. We won't grade him because he's probably, like, we haven't seen enough. Russ, somewhere in A. Oh, no, Rodgers is top 3. Rodgers is top 3, but he's 3. Haskins, F. He backs up Ben, so he's got to be behind Ben. Let's see. Is this Joe Burrow? Joe Burt? A. Because he's better than Herbo, but he's not better than the other two. Stafford. Stafford's above Russ. Behind Lamar for me. Who else is in here that plays? K1? I'm going to say K1 is ahead of Tannehill, behind Herbo. Josh Allen. Definitely the highest A tier can go. Tua is better than him. I'm going to switch these. Josh Rosen's a F. Kirk is definitely the highest in the C tier. His team is just trash. Jimmy G. Jimmy G is better than Dak? Nah. Jimmy G is probably... I'm going to come back, bro. I don't know. None of these guys play. I guess Goff plays. Goff is like pretty terrible though. Goff is ahead of Cam. Ahead of him. Alright. Oh, bro, yeah, we're talking about quarterbacks. But at the end of the day, quarterbacks win games in the NFL. So to me, I think Lamar is up there because Lamar makes a lot of game-winning plays. The games come down to the end. Lamar always has the ball. Now, whether Harbaugh goes for it or not, that's up to them. But they could have won 4 more games this year if they just go to overtime. Dak is better than Tannehill. He's a choker, though. So the problem we have here is C and B minus. I don't know if Kirk is better than Jimmy. Kirk got a better team than Jimmy, Jimmy got a better team than Kirk, so Jimmy wins more games. But he's been making plays. Like, he needs a third down, he gets it. His cheeks, bro. But he was rapping Jeezy on the sideline, so he automatically is C. He hit me with the screenshot. I appreciate everybody was in here with me for the last hour. Y'all are the best, the bestest. I really appreciate you guys once again for another great stream. I really enjoyed it, and hopefully you guys did too. All right, y'all.
Another day, another dawn. I'm trying to focus on my mind.